Hey, it's Harith Iskandar here. I'm sure all or not most of you pernah dengar pasal crypto dan forex. Memang dah jadi catchphrase. We hear it. It pops up on our social media. People are talking about it. Tapi saya sekarang berada dengan Ethan, and Ethan is somewhat an expert in this area. So Ethan, crypto and forex. Let's start with forex. Is it real? Is it legit? What's the story?
Okay, Forex, perhaps I will start it this way.
Yeah.
Okay, Forex is actually a currency exchange, right?
Indeed.
This is what we understand. But a lot of investment that involved out there now, involve the public now, is actually they are trading on the movement of the Forex, the exchange rate. Okay, it's a contract for difference. Means that if you buy the USD against Malaysian ringgit, it's going up. So for every point that you move up, you make some money. And if let's say it doesn't go according to what you bought for, then you are losing money. Okay. So I will say that would you want to think that is it actually like something a lot nearer to gamble?
Yeah, it sounds like gambling.
Okay, but of course, the initially Forex is for us to trade with other country, right? Okay, we need a legal tender. Okay, we need the money to change in exchange of buying or selling thing. And why people wanted to have this contract is basically to hedge against the cost. Okay, for example, kalau lah, I want to my raw material came from China. So because the currency fluctuate, right? So I'm worried that 6 bulan nanti, maybe the renminbi will go up. So I want to hedge. Because once the renminbi went up, so the cost of material will go up.
Okay.
So then it will eat into my profit, right?
Okay.
As a business owner, so I want to hedge against that. But of course, when as assistant of this contract, right, then people also think that it's speculative. So I will use the word speculative. So I'm saying that it's just beware lah, okay? That it's highly speculative, and actually in Malaysia we do have a legal, futures contract for Forex. So it's in a bursa derivative. So it's governed by security commissions. But other than that, for contract for difference up to this stage, there is none legally allowed in Malaysia.
So the only one that's legal is the one that's under bursa.
Yeah, and it's actually a future contract. It's not contract for difference.
So it's a future contract and not a contract for difference. So the majority and we experience through social media is this contract for difference, which, if I'm hearing you correctly, is not legal in Malaysia.
Yeah, it's not legal in Malaysia. It's not regulated here. And these are the things that people are saying highly profitable.
Of course.
The movement is daily. No, it's not daily. It's every second. And there's a potential for making money or losing money.
So, all these, I've seen these apps that promise these Forex, so-called Forex companies, and it's popping up in Malaysia. They have sometimes Malaysian faces, Malaysian celebrities attached to it. So if I partake, if I put money in, does that mean it's illegal, or it just means that I'm not protected?
Of course, first I will say that the platform, they would not be operating in Malaysia.
So number one, the base is not here.
It's not here. So our government
can't do anything
about it. So it's your option, because with internet, right, we can access anything globally. Okay, so but the thing is, even first of all, even if it is legal, it's governed in Malaysia. Every investment comes with risk.
Memang, mesti ada risk.
Is this the type of risk that you understand? And is this the type of investment you want to do? That's the first thing. Okay, because the movement is so huge. Okay, they're so fast. Are you able to take it? And the second one is it's not legally, it's not regulated here. Mm-hmm. So anything goes wrong, sorry, there's no one that you can complain to.
So I think that's the main thing. Walaupun you know that it's a foreign dealing, a foreign investment, two things to think about. What you said is, number one, how much do you know about it? What control do you have over it? So unless you are memang expert dalam dunia tu, you will know, but most people don't. And number two, since it's not regulated here, kalau anything happen, you have no recourse. You got no one to turn to because the Malaysian government will just go, who asked you to put bodoh? So you have to watch out for that.
Yeah, and of course, since it's got regulated, right? And a lot of people don't understand this, so it's easier for scammer to scam us.
That's the main thing. Sesuatu yang tak ada regulation, lagi senang ditipu. That's plain and simple.
Yeah.
Okay, got it. Crypto, wow. Siapa tak pernah dengar perkataan crypto? So many promises, so many stories. And of course, crypto is real. The blockchain is real. It's real. It's in a way, it's not a scam. The product itself is real. But how does it stand in Malaysia at the moment as far as crypto is concerned?
Okay, in Malaysia, crypto is regulated as an digital asset. It means you can buy this digital assets because there's a potential for you to gain for the capital gain. Means you beli murah, then you jual mahal.
Okay.
Capital gain, right? There's a potential, so it's an asset. But our government or negara Malaysia doesn't recognize crypto as a legal tender. It's not to be used as like our ringgit Malaysia that you can use to tender to buy
Buy and sell.
No, it's just regulated as an investment asset.
Okay, so just to be clear, sebagai investment, it's regulated, meaning you buy the crypto and sell the crypto. Tapi it's not recognized as a legal tender. So you can't buy a car using crypto.
Not at this moment.
Not at this moment. And I believe I was heard there's how many registered or recognized crypto, what would you call it?
Digital asset exchange.
Digital Asset Exchange, DAX.
DAX. Just like we exchange our security stocks on Bursa Malaysia. That's one exchange. So for digital asset, actually we have this information readily available to the public in the Suruhanjaya Securities or Securities Commissions of Malaysian website. There are currently 6, and there are only 6 digital asset exchange that are
Recognized in Malaysia.
in Malaysia.
So if you nak melibatkan diri in crypto, these are the only 6 that you should go to. Okay, your personal opinion, because I have friends on both sides of the fence. I'll let you hear your personal opinion. Is crypto here to stay? Is it going to get bigger? Is it going to die? Your personal cost. Only personal opinion.
Okay, before I go to my personal cost on this, I think I have to emphasize this first. Although it's legally, it's regulated, the exchange is legally, it's legal, but every investment comes with risk.
Risk.
So the first question is, do you understand what you are investing in? And then you have to ask yourself, is this something that you think that you're able to take the risk? Because every investment there's potential for gain.
Yep.
It comes with the risk of losing money. So it's legal, but if you are trading on this legal platform and you are losing money because of the market, you cannot complain also.
Yeah.
Unless the platform cheated, or it's a closed platform,
Okay.
people have patched. So, on my personal opinion, it's not for everyone. But if you think that this is something that you want to explore and it could be part of your investment portfolio, okay, at least go to the legal platform and have the knowledge, basic understanding, and after you assess yourself that, okay, I'm willing to take risks for the potential gain, then it's okay.
So, end of the day, seperti biasa, use common sense.
It's common sense.
Spend a bit of time doing research.
Yeah.
Itu yang paling mustahil. And don't believe everything you read on the internet. In fact, don't believe everything that your friends tell you. End of the day, as investors, we need to. It takes time, kan? It takes time to get to know. And like Eden was saying, there's risk. Mesti ada risk. There's no business idea, no business plan that does not come with risk. So there you go. We've talked about Forex. We've talked about crypto. Anything else you want to touch on?
Perhaps I would like to add something that you just said.
Yeah.
Don't believe everything on the internet. Don't believe everything that your friends say. And you don't have to believe me also.
Yeah.
Whatever I have told you just now, you can do your own research and you go and verify. Okay. So because today we have Paris, I think people know him. Okay. There are a lot of interviews out there. Could be fake also.
Yes, I spoke about this in another video. There was a fake interview between me and Yuna talking about Forex and stuff. Once again, even I saw it, I believed it. I said, that's me. I didn't say that, but it looked real. So, thank you very much, Ethan. So, simple matter is, don't believe me, don't believe Ethan, don't believe your friend, don't believe the internet. Do your own research, come to your own conclusion.
Yeah.
All right?
Thank you.
Thank you very much.